They say positivity is light. They say it's soft, gentle, pure, something bright enough to warm the world, and fragile enough to break at the slightest touch. But they were wrong. Real positivity, the kind forged through pain, through silence, through nights where you couldn't breathe, it isn't light at all. It's fire, it's steel, it's the weapon the world never expected you to carry. Because positivity isn't pretending everything is fine. It's looking your demons in the eye and saying, you will not win today. You see, some people wake up with comfort, some wake up with support. But then there are people like you, people who wake up with memories that weigh like chains, people who have been betrayed, underestimated, forgotten, people who learned that the world doesn't hand out miracles. You have to create them. That's why your positivity is different. It wasn't gifted, it was earned, and the world will never understand how dangerous that makes you. You learned to smile while breaking inside. You learned to move forward when everything pulled you back. You learned to stay kind in a world that rewarded cruelty. And somehow, you held on. That alone makes you unstoppable. Because positivity is not blind hope, it's defiance. It's rebellion. It's the refusal to let darkness claim you. Even when darkness was all you ever knew. And today, this morning, you rise again. Not because the world is fair, but because you decided you're done being controlled by circumstances, done being shaped by people who never understood your worth, done shrinking to make others comfortable. You rise because you finally understand a truth your younger self never realized. You are not weak for feeling deeply. You are powerful because you survived everything that tried to break you. Listen, every disappointment sharpened you. Every betrayal hardened your resolve. Every loss carved space inside you for something greater. You are not who you were. You are becoming something far stronger. Low drums. Begin heartbeat. There comes a moment in every warrior's life when the world thinks they're finished, when the crowd turns their back, when even the people you trusted choose silence over support. And that moment, that exact moment, is where your new life begins. Because there is a version of you waiting beneath the damage, a version forged from discipline, patience, and truth, a version who doesn't run from storms, they walk through them. The world will call that confidence, but you know the truth, it's survival. Let them doubt you, let them misunderstand you, let them whisper your failures as if they define you. They don't know what it took for you to get up this morning, to fight the war inside your own mind, to carry your scars like armor instead of shame. And that is why today, this morning, you choose power, not the loud, aggressive kind the world celebrates, but the quiet power, the steady power, the power that rises even after the worst nights. Because positivity isn't about fake smiles, it's about choosing purpose over pain, focus over fear, determination over despair. You don't need permission to rise. You don't need validation. You don't need applause. You need one thing. A decision to stop living like your past is your prison, a decision to stop letting fear design your future, a decision to stop waiting for someone to save you because no one is coming. You are the rescue. You are the turning point. You are the plot twist no one saw coming. Music intensifies rising tone. Strings climbing. Today you walk like someone who finally understands their worth. Today you move like someone who isn't afraid to rebuild. Today you breathe like someone who refuses to surrender. This world will try to push you back into the shadows. It will try to silence your ambition. It will try to remind you of who you used to be, but you are not returning to that version because you know something now, something powerful, something unstoppable. Positivity is strength. Positivity is strategy. Positivity is your sharpest weapon. Anybody can stay angry. Anybody can stay bitter. Anybody can drown in the darkness. But you rise above it. You choose a higher path. You choose clarity, discipline, focus. You choose to build. And that choice alone makes you undefeatable. So when the world doubts you today, let it. When people test you, let them. When circumstances challenge you, face them without fear. Because you are no longer the person the world thinks you are. You are the one writing the ending. You are the one shaping the narrative. You are the one who will walk into the light, not because it was easy, but because you fought through every inch of darkness to reach it. Take a breath, stand tall, and step forward like the warrior life tried to bury, but failed to destroy. This is your morning, this is your fire, this is your rise. And from this moment on, nothing will pull you back.